In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix this error. You are using an emulator error on your Equity mobile app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. As you can read here, if you're using emulator, you're told this might pose a security risk, and therefore to fix this, you are supposed to turn off the emulator, or if you're also using any VPN app, turn them off and see if this fixes your issue. However, if this does not fix your problem, then check and then see that you have not enabled developer mode on your phone. If that's the case, you might want to go to settings and turn it off. However, if any of this does not apply to you, then all we need to do is to troubleshoot our Equity mobile app. To do this, you need to go to your phone and look for settings, and from settings go to apps. Now under apps, look for this option, manage apps. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. Here, search for your app by name, and our Equity mobile is here. And the first thing you need to do is to go to force stop, tap on it, and then OK. Then go to clear data and choose clear cache, and finally OK. Once you have cleared your cache data, now restart your smartphone and see if this fixes your problem. However, should it not fix, then you'll come back to the app info page, and this time around clear all data. This will log you out of your app and you need to log in afresh to use this app. However, should this not fix your problem, then you want to check and then see if we have any update for your app, either through Google Play Store or App Store. Search for Equity Mobile and update your app to the latest version. Now, in most cases, this should have now fixed your issue. If this still does not work, then you want to try and see if using Equity web version will work for you. So let me know which of this was able to fix your problem. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.